Tired of spending too much time chopping onions, tomatoes, and veggies? I've tested and reviewed the top 10 best hand vegetable choppers that can save you time, effort, and tears in the kitchen. Whether you're a busy home cook, fitness fan, or kitchen gadget lover, this list will help you choose the perfect manual chopper for faster meal prep. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Brieftons QuickPush Chopper. The Brieftons QuickPush Chopper is a powerful manual vegetable chopper designed for fast and uniform cutting. I love how easy it is to press down and instantly dice onions, peppers, cucumbers, and more. The stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, delivering consistent results every time. It also includes multiple blade sizes, making it versatile for different recipes. The container catches chopped vegetables neatly, reducing mess on the counter. Cleaning is simple, since the parts are detachable and dishwasher safe. If you want a reliable, time-saving hand vegetable chopper for everyday cooking, this model is a fantastic choice for home cooks and meal prep lovers alike. Vidalia Chop Wizard Pro. The Vidalia Chop Wizard Pro is one of the most popular manual choppers on Amazon, and for good reason. It features two sharp stainless steel blades for dicing and chopping vegetables quickly and evenly. I really like the built-in measuring container that keeps everything tidy while you prep meals. It's perfect for onions, potatoes, fruits, and even cheese. The sturdy design ensures long-term durability, while the push-down lid makes chopping effortless. Cleanup is quick because the blades and container are easy to wash. If you want professional-style chopping results without using electricity, this chopper is an excellent kitchen companion for daily cooking tasks. KitchenAid Hand Chopper. The KitchenAid Hand Chopper combines style, durability, and performance in one compact design. Its manual pull cord mechanism gives you full control over the chopping size. I appreciate how smoothly it cuts vegetables, nuts, herbs, and even cooked meat. The BPA-free bowl is strong and spacious enough for small meal prep tasks. It also features a non-slip base that keeps it steady during use. The stainless steel blades are sharp and long-lasting, ensuring consistent results. It's easy to disassemble and clean after use. For those who want a trusted brand and reliable manual food chopper, KitchenAid delivers both performance and quality. Cuisinart Manual Chopper. The Cuisinart Manual Chopper is perfect for quick kitchen tasks when you don't want to plug in an electric processor. Its push-down handle makes chopping vegetables simple and fast. I like how compact and lightweight it is, making it easy to store in small kitchens. The sharp rotating blades ensure even chopping for onions, garlic, and herbs. The transparent container allows you to monitor the chopping progress easily. Cleaning is hassle-free thanks to its detachable parts. If you're looking for a dependable manual vegetable chopper from a reputable brand, this Cuisinart model offers excellent value and consistent performance. Zyliss Easy Pull Chopper. The Zyliss Easy Pull Chopper features a strong pull cord system that gives you total control over texture. The more you pull, the finer the chop. I find it extremely useful for salsa, salads, nuts, and herbs. The sharp stainless steel blades rotate efficiently for even cutting. It also includes a soft grip handle for comfort during use. The bowl is durable and BPA-free, making it safe for food preparation. Cleaning is simple, and the compact design makes storage easy. For home cooks who love manual kitchen gadgets, this easy pull vegetable chopper is both practical and highly efficient. Brieftons Easy Chop. The Brieftons Easy Chop is designed for speed and convenience. It uses a strong pull string mechanism that quickly chops vegetables with minimal effort. I love how versatile it is. Perfect for onions, carrots, herbs, and even nuts. The anti-slip base keeps it stable during operation, while the stainless steel blades ensure smooth, consistent chopping. The transparent bowl lets you monitor the results in real time. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. For anyone looking for a fast and affordable manual vegetable chopper, this Brieftons model delivers impressive performance and durability. Chef N VeggiChop Safety Lock. The Chef N VeggiChop Safety Lock stands out with its compact design and reliable safety features. Its pull cord mechanism makes chopping quick and effortless. I appreciate the safety lock lid that keeps everything secure during use. The sharp blades cut vegetables, fruits, and nuts efficiently. The bowl doubles as storage, which is convenient for meal prep. It's BPA-free and easy to clean after cooking sessions. The non-slip base adds extra stability while chopping. If you want a safe, compact, and effective hand vegetable chopper, this chef-end model is a great option for everyday kitchen tasks. Vidalia 3-in-1 Chopper. The Vidalia 3-in-1 Chopper offers multiple blade options for slicing, dicing, and chopping. I love how versatile it is for preparing different meals quickly. The sturdy container collects chopped vegetables neatly, keeping your kitchen clean. It's ideal for onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, and potatoes. The stainless steel blades are durable and easy to swap out depending on your needs. Cleaning is simple, since the components are removable. If you want a multifunctional manual chopper that handles various cutting styles, this 3-in-1 option is a smart and affordable kitchen tool. SnapFresh Handheld Vegetable Chopper. The SnapFresh Handheld Vegetable Chopper is compact yet powerful. Its easy press design allows fast chopping without electricity. I like its lightweight build, making it perfect for small kitchens or travel cooking. The sharp blades cut vegetables evenly, and the container prevents mess. It's ideal for quick salad prep, onions, herbs, and fruits. The non-slip base keeps it steady while chopping. Cleaning is quick because the parts are easy to detach. For anyone seeking a portable and affordable manual vegetable chopper, this SnapFresh model is a convenient solution. Progressive PrepWorks Chopper. The Progressive PrepWorks Chopper is built for consistent and efficient chopping. Its push-down mechanism works smoothly and delivers evenly diced vegetables. I love the sturdy container that holds a good amount of ingredients, making it ideal for meal prep. The stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, ensuring long-term use. It's great for onions, peppers, and fruits. The non-slip base adds extra stability while chopping. If you want a dependable, user-friendly manual vegetable chopper for everyday cooking, this model offers excellent performance and value. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and share your favorite chopper in the comments. Subscribe for more Amazon kitchen gadget reviews and check the links in the description for today's best prices. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.